Welcome back to the show. Here earlier on the Morning Blend, we were talking to hockey moms out there potentially. But you know what? We like to have content for everybody. So dads, this one may be looking at you here. Let's go ahead. Welcome in our friend Andrew Reinhardt from South Bay Medical Clinic. Andrew, how have you been? We were talking about you had to put your dad hat on today a little bit. Big day in your house, right?
Oh, yeah. First day of school for my 4-year-old boy. So, yes, big day.
Big day. I'm 3-year-old. I have coming up there, so I'm getting close there. But yeah, we're actually focusing this segment on the guys out there. Dad or not, we're talking to the men, right? And you've got a new treatment that can help men out there that possibly are watching.
Yeah, we do. Erectile dysfunction is a massive problem. Now, I know this is kind of a sensitive subject. It can be embarrassing. Sometimes guys don't want to talk about it, but South Bay Medical Clinic has a breakthrough treatment, like you said, for erectile dysfunction. And get this, guys, no medication, no injections, no surgery. It is clinically shown to open up and regrow blood vessels. It's called acoustic wave therapy. Now, I say those words clinically shown, and it is backed up because Cambridge now, that is the big news. Cambridge has now done a study, a clinical study on this. They've tested the technology. They said safe, effective, and my favorite part, no side effects reported. We know that ED is a blood flow issue or a lack of blood flow. This treatment clinically shown to increase that blood flow. So we're addressing the root cause problem of erectile dysfunction. We're not using the pill. And guys, we're getting back the spontaneity into the relationship.
Some of those treatments that you just mentioned, since we've been able to do these segments with you, I've been learning about the negative effects that some of these other treatments that people may have relied on in the past can have. What are some of those, and kind of go into how your new treatment doesn't involve any of those side effects?
Yeah, so the pill is the most common thing for erectile dysfunction, and there are a lot of negatives. The first is the lack of spontaneity, trying to pre-plan with the pill. This is a big stress as part of a man's life. The second is the side effects, the headaches, the blurred vision, that hangover feeling that so many guys can relate to. And then you see the pill stop working altogether. So they have to take more and more of it. The other option has been injections. And I don't think I need to go into this. An injection in this part of the body, not a good thing. The acoustic wave therapy looks like an ultrasound machine. It's non-invasive. It's placed on the skin and delivers gentle pressure acoustic waves into those blood vessels, causing them to open up and widen. So more blood flow where you want it, when you want it.
Andrew, you had touched on at the beginning of our conversation here how so many men don't necessarily want to deal with this. This is something that people don't talk about, but people are dealing with. Let's talk about, though, the fact that the clinical studies are out there, because since this is something that people don't want to talk about, they want to make sure it's safe, too, before they even think about having this kind of conversation.
Absolutely. You can go to the science page at southbaymedicalclinic.com and read some of those journals, but I'll give you a summary. The American Urological Association, one of the most reputable journals out there, they've written about it. Cambridge, like I mentioned, Therapeutic Advances in Urology. This has been heavily studied and has been shown to be safe, effective. They say feasible. Like I mentioned, no side effects. So we know that the science is sound. Men have been taking the pill since the early 90s. This was in need of a revolution, and we finally have something that is breakthrough for ED.
Andrew, a lot of times on the show, we like to have special offers. Maybe people are hesitant to call. Normally, we're talking about shopping or, material things. You too, though, have a special offer, which is exciting for your patients or soon-to-be patients.
We do. You'll see the number on your screen. If you call us now, we will do the assessment, the exam, even the blood flow ultrasound for free. Now, this is about a $300 value, and it's key to get assessed by a medical professional. Plus, we're going to throw in a little special gift. Couples really love this. It produces instant results in the bedroom. It's totally free to those that call us right now.
Andrew, as always, we do appreciate you being with us today, and I hope the first day of school goes well for the youngster.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Take care. Okay, we'll see you soon.
Thanks.